Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. The project envisions the use of reinterpretation as a continuous creative tool. By imitating the strategy of orientation and a simplified functional diagram, the new building reconnects with the concept of history and familiar living patterns. The open spaces enable direct sunlight to enter from the south side, while the east and west sides are positioned slightly inward from the plot, leaving only the north side adjacent to the property line. The goal is to transform the old construction, which spans 2,754 square feet, into a new 1,937 square feet structure with a similar program but a distinctly different spatial quality experience.